The TMC government has come under fire after outrage is building after a video where a turbaned Sikh man was seen being beaten up by the Kolkata police during Thursday's BJP protest in Howrah. In this video, one can see that as the police beat this man up, his turban opens up. But despite that, the police continue to beat him up and at one point even pull him by his hair. The former India cricketer Harbhajan Singh has taken to Twitter, one of many who have, for example, to express his anger against the Bengal police or the Kolkata police for manhandling a Sikh man, disrespecting his turban and pulling him by the hair. Tagging the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, Harbhajan Singh has tweeted, "Please have a look into this matter. This isn't done." Moni Banerjee is following this story. She joins us now. Moni, the BJP was on the back foot for going ahead with this protest where in the middle of a pandemic, while all pandemic protocols were thrown to the wind, but now the TMC under scrutiny after this video has gone viral.
Well, let me just tell you that in the last few minutes, there has been a tweet from the West Bengal police. If I may just quickly read it out to you. It says, the concerned person was carrying firearms in yesterday's protest. The pagri had fallen off automatically in the scuffle that ensued without any attempt to do so by our officer, visible in the video attached. It is never our intention to hurt the sentiments of any community. And if I may just finish this up, it says, West Bengal police respects all religions. The officer specifically asked him to put his pagdi back before the arrest. The attached photo has been clicked right before he was escorted to the police station. We remain committed to our duty to uphold law and order. So there is a picture attached of him with a pagdi on, standing in front of the police vehicle in which he was taken away by the police after his arrest. So this is what the West Bengal police had to say, and this many hours after this whole controversy erupted today, 24 hours after the incident actually happened, the controversy erupting with, the video going viral online. Certainly horrific. If anyone's watching the pictures, it looks terrible. It looks really disturbing to have the man lose his pagdi in the scuffle that you can't miss. You can see it happening in front of your eyes. But again, the police saying that it was accidental and it fell off automatically in the scuffle. But the BJP, of course, taking umbrage.
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you there, Moni. So the protest took place on Thursday. The video started going public and has gone viral today. And hours after that, the West Bengal police putting out a statement clarifying that they had no intention of hurting any community's sentiments. Do you think, given the situation between the BJP and the TMC in the state, this is enough to diffuse that? Or the police, the Kolkata police has acted in a manner that will help diffuse the situation or not? Because also these charges about people in the protest carrying arms, that has been raised before. Of course, that does not excuse this behavior. There are other ways that the police have to bring someone under control if they have arms on them.
Well, since you are asking me what I think, I certainly think that the police's reaction has been delayed to the whole controversy that has been, raging on social media all of today. And perhaps the political party, the Trinamool Congress, will have to step forward on this. I mean, I remember just the other day there was somebody from Akali Dal who was expressing support to Derek O'Brien after he got suspended from Parliament on the farm bills issue. So clearly there was some kind of, there is a good relationship between the two parties. But now you suddenly have the Akali Dal upset, Harbhajan Singh upset, the possibility of an entire community being upset. So perhaps time for the political parties to come forward, for Trinamool Congress to come forward and express regret at whatever happened, even if it was accidental. The issue of the gun that is a serious issue. I mean, the gentleman, he was carrying a gun in a crowded place. It could have gone off accidentally. It could have hurt people. So that possibility is something that, that one also has to think of. But the kind of clashes we saw yesterday between the police and the supporters, I have to also tell you that there are a lot of people who think that perhaps the police could have managed with less of the lathi. There were, water cannons, there were lathis, there were tear gas, and then there was this physical scuffle with individual protesters. Perhaps that is something that the police can review. I don't know. I'm not a police personnel. I don't know. But just watching the videos, whether it is the BJP that's being attacked or the Trinamool in certain circumstances in the past, or the CPM, which we saw a lot of last year, perhaps there should be better management of these political protests if they are to indeed be the expression of democratic rights in West Bengal.
Certainly, Muni Banerjee reporting on the big story at this hour. Thanks, Muni, for that.